As an artist, you hear maybe from a lot of people during your journeys to success. People will tell you like, well, what's your real job? Or how do you make money? Or well, what do you really do? Or maybe you should get a 9 to 5 to support yourself. And the fact of the matter, most of those people probably failed in making their passion, a primary thing because they put it secondary. And one thing you have to know is that if you put anything secondary in life, it will never become primary. So you can't listen to people who've never really realized their full dreams and potential and stop you from living your dreams and full potential. So I say as an artist, you have to just live the dream. Go after what you truly believe in and don't let anybody stop you. Don't let anybody sidetrack you. Don't let anybody say you can't do it, because once you believe you can't do it, then you can't. So I'm all about living my dreams. 2 years ago, I gave up the typical 9 to 5 and I started working on my passion dream. And I've been able to be employed ever since doing what I love. And there's some times where I just overwhelmed with how much work I have. So you can do it too. Live the dream. Don't let anyone stop you.